Shinchev, Smisha Gillespie Machgarish. I'm Gillespie, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach, here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Scottish Gaelic. And wonder of wonders, it's still warm in the Isle of Skye. High hast blah. And that adjective at the end, very common one. Well, not common in Skye, but we use it a lot. And it's usually mispronounced. And what I hear is an English kind of interjection. High hast blah. And you think, well, what's the difference? Well, I've thought about it and I've identified 3 differences that are very distinct. And maybe 4 actually, if you include the energy at the beginning. So we have blah, but we have the adjective in Gaelic, blah. And the thing that I notice most is that there's a more energized plosive B at the beginning. Blah. It's not blah, it's blah. And we also have, obviously, a more, probably you can hear a more open vowel. So it's not blah, it's blah. So I get students to practice a more open position for that open vowel. To consciously open up, get some oil in your jaws and say blah. It's maybe a bit longer than that English sound, blah, blah. And also, we have a different L sound because it's not the English L sound. It's a thicker Gaelic L sound. Can you see what happens to my cheeks when I say that? L. L. L, L, blah, 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 blah. You can see that there's a different energy. There's a bit of a sideways action going there because it's a thicker sound coming off the front teeth. Blah. So all of these things together give us something that's authentic, Gaelic, and different from the English sound, blah. Now, these are the little adjustments that if you work on deliberately and find fun and kind of fulfillment in actually practicing, this is what will make a radical difference to the sound of your Scottish Gaelic. So for more tips, and I do promise I will be doing proper videos soon, subscribe to my channel. Shinchev.